Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techno Network. In this video, we are going to learn some keyboard shortcuts for MS Excel. So you do not have to move your hand from keyboard to mouse and mouse to keyboard. It will save your time. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first shortcut will be how to select the entire row in Excel sheet. So to select this entire row, you just have to press Shift and Spacebar from your keyboard. So the entire row will get selected just like this you can see on the screen. Now what if you wanna select the entire column? So to select the entire column in an Excel sheet, you just have to press Control and space bar. So the entire column will get selected. So this is the two shortcut keys. First is to select the entire row, second is to select the entire column. Now the third one and the fourth one will be to create a table and to remove a table. Okay, so to create a table, let me put some data over here. I'll just give some parameter. First one will be ID, second one will be name, third one will be address. Okay, I'll just give some data over here. So here I have created some data over here. Now we will create a table. I'm sorry, we will put this data in a table and then we'll remove the table as well. But to do that, we just have to select this entire data. So normally what we do, we use our mouse to select this entire data. Instead of moving your hand to mouse, you just have to press Shift and Control both from your keyboard, press down arrow and press right arrow. So you can see the entire data will get selected. Okay. Now to create a table, you just have to press one shortcut key from your keyboard, which is Alt HBA. There you can see that the table has been created. Now, if you wanna remove it, if you wanna remove the table, you just have to press Shift and Control from your keyboard and press down arrow and right arrow. So the table will get selected. Now to remove it, again you just have to press Alt HBN. When you do that, the table will get removed. So by pressing Alt HBA, a table will get created. By pressing HBN, a table will get removed. Okay, so this is our fourth shortcut key. So the first one is to select the entire row, second one is to select the entire column, third one is to create a table, fourth one is to remove a table. Now the fifth one, what if you wanna add a filter over here, like you just wanna see only the Rebecca and Jessica name, you don't wanna see the Abhishek. So to put a filter over here, you just have to press Control, Shift and L from your keyboard, and you can see that the filter has been selected over here. I'm sorry, the filter has been created over here. Now, what if you want to remove it? To remove it, again, Control, Shift and L. So the filter will get removed. So these are the six shortcuts key which will help you for your MS Excel work. I hope you will learn something from this video. Thank you for watching.